All right. Hello, everyone. I wanted to record a little video here of how to do some of these tasks in our blog project, right? So we have our Google templates. Yours will look just like this. So I'm going to kind of show you how to edit stuff, how to put pictures in, and how to put emojis in, the whole works. I'll tell you where to click, and hopefully this will be helpful especially for my people at home, some distance learning. So here we go, we're on our front page of our blog. I would change your title, so yours will say, my blog. You should change it to something more fun, right? So you just click on it, backspace, and type it, Miss Steiner talks about, I don't know, you can go into a huge thing, about movies and such. All right, maybe you need to make it smaller. Go up here to the little number here and press the minus after you highlight, like so. You need to change the size. All right, you can add in your own pictures as well. I would do that by coming up here to insert image, right? It's right next to the mouse and the text box. Insert image. You can upload from your computer. Okay, that's where I've got this one. You can search the web. If you have some in your drive, you can do that way. You can do it by URL, or you can do a camera picture too. I always recommend the search the web. So maybe you are looking for an image of, gosh, how about a certain food you really like? So like cupcakes. All right, look at all these cupcakes. You can either drag and drop. All right, you got a big picture and you can adjust like so from the corner, bring it down, move it around, okay? Or you can click and down right here, I'll move my face a little, down where my face is, you can press insert, the blue, like that, and it'll go right in there. And once again, you can adjust it. So you can change this stuff however you want. You can make it like a collage. Right? You can cover up certain things. That's totally fine. I'm going to delete those. Don't forget to type your name in this box. Okay. Miss Steiner. And then we move on to the next slide. Here's our checklist. I have 6 slides with a blog post on each. I have 1 paragraph per slide. I titled each blog post. I put the date on each post. I put my name on each post. I have an emoji for my mood on each post, it should say, and I have a picture relating to my post, right? And that'll be on every single slide. So down here was my example slide, right? My first one. I have my title up top, my name, the date, and I typed my first blog post already, okay? And I put in a picture. Let's do another one. Let's say I want to talk about my day or maybe something coming up, all right? Maybe I'm talking about Mother's Day. So we'll title this Mother's Day Shenanigans. Okay. Got to put my name up top. All right, Miss Steiner. I'm going to put the date here. It is April 16th, 2021. I'm going to put an emoji here. So what I'm going to do actually, and you don't have to do this, but if you're someone like me who likes to make things look very nice, you can delete and then go up to our insert image. Search the web. I don't want cupcakes anymore, so I'm going to backspace. We'll do loving emoji, right? So we're talking about Mother's Day. So I'll do, Lots of options here. I think I like this one. I'm just going to drag and drop. It's going to come up really big, I think. Yep. And I'm going to make it small, move it, small, move it. Just be careful where you're clicking, because you know how sometimes on Google Slides things can get all messed up when you click around too much. All right. And then I'm going to start typing my post. And this is where you have to be careful about the clicking. See how I'm clicking on this box? I want to click up here to see the words. So for Mother's Day, I plan on having brunch with my partner's family. And I keep going, right? I'm going to tell the whole plans I have. Go to my parents' house. Right after this, I will go to my parents' house and let's go like this actually, and have dinner with my family. I'm going to talk about how excited I am, right? I'm excited. I'm excited to celebrate with both families. All right? I get to celebrate with two different families, right? With both families, I plan to bring flowers for both. Honestly, I'm also looking forward to the food. I'm also looking forward to the food. Right? So you just type stuff like that. And they're still not showing up here yet, but on your template down below, I'm going to exit out of this. On your template down below, there will be writing prompts in the speaker notes that you can always use if you need to. The last thing I need to do on this slide before I have a completed blog post is to add one more image. So I added my emoji, but I want to add another image. So I talked about bringing flowers. So I think I'm going to do, just type in flowers, search that. Got lots of options on the side here. I like the vase of flowers because I'm not talking just about a field of flowers. I'd bring like a bouquet. So I'm going to do this. Go like this, make it nice and small. Although maybe, so I'll make it small on this one, and then maybe I'll add another image, right? Because I can add more than one. I'm going to type in, Mother's Day, see what that brings up. I like this one. All right? So you can add a couple images to talk about exactly what is happening. Boop, boop, boop. It takes a while to make it small. There we go. Just like that. Now I have a completed blog post already. And remember, if you're someone who likes to write a lot more, right? You're like, okay, this wasn't enough writing for me. Like I want to go on and actually talk a lot more about this. Go over to the slide you're on the deck here, double click or right click, press duplicate the slide. From there, you have two of the same slides. Okay, you can keep everything else the same. Maybe you want to change the images, that's fine, but you can keep everything else the same, like the date and the title, and then just keep on typing, right? We are also going to go for a walk, right, around the neighborhood, since it'll be so nice out. You can keep going on about Mother's Day. Okay, so there's my example. If you follow all of the prompts, right, on each template, where to insert the image, where to type, then you'll be in good shape. Please let me know if you have any more questions or if you need another video that has examples in it.